Alright, percents 2. Let's start with a warm-up. Let's make a little chart here. Okay, so a fraction to a decimal, 3 divided by 5. So we just did 3 divided by 5. That equals 0.6. To make that a percent, you move the decimal over twice. So 60%. 0.42, move it over twice. 42%. You put the 42 over 100, which equals 21 over 50. 73%, move the decimal over to the left twice to get 0.73. 73 over 100, and that does not reduce. Percents 2, the objective is to solve percent word problems. Okay, every basic percent sentence has an is, of, and a percent. 3 will be known, 1 will be unknown. So all you need to write down is this formula. So we're going to do is over of equals percent over 100. This 100 will stay constant. We will always use that number. So 32 is 60% of what number? So is over of equals percent over 100. So I know blank equals blank over 100. Well, we're given the is, which is 32. We're given this percent, which is 60. So we're looking for x. We are going to cross multiply. So 60x is equal to 3200. Divide by 60. X is equal to 53.3. Alright, same thing. Blank equals blank over 100. So we know what is 80% of 30. So we're given the percent, which is 80. We're given the of, which is 30. So of goes on bottom. So the x goes on top. Cross multiply. 100x equals 2400. Divide by 100. So x is equal to 24. Alright, 18 is 87.5% of what number? So is over of equals percent over 100. So 18 is, so that's our is. We're given the percent, 87.5, so the x goes down here. So we're going to cross multiply. 87.5x equals 1800. Divide by 87.5. So x is equal to 20.6. Okay, 28 is, so blank equals blank over 100. What percent of 32? So the of goes on bottom. We're looking for the percent, so we'll call that x. Cross multiply, 32x equals 2800 by 32. X is equal to 87.5. Alright, now this one, we're going to use our formula still. Even though we could still do the 47 divided by 50, like we have been, we're going to use the formula to show that it works. Okay, so we know is over of equals percent over 100. Okay, you do the partial number over the whole thing, because we're looking for the percent. Cross multiply, 50x equals 4700. Divide by 50. X is equal to 94. So 94%. Okay, Michelle got a 74% on her test. If she got 111 questions correct, how many questions were on the test? So we know the percent, the 100 goes on the bottom, percent goes on top. The partial number, she got 111 correct. We're looking for how many the total was. So we will cross multiply. 74x equals 11100 divided by 74. X is equal to 150. Okay, the Cubs only sold 17,429 seats for last Sunday's game. There are 38,288 seats in their stadium. What percentage of the seats were sold? Okay, so 17,429 over 38,288 equals percent. Oh, I'm going to call this X over 100. So cross multiply. $45.5. Okay, 75% of what number is 65? So blank equals blank over 100. So we're given the percent, and we're given the is. So 75x equals 6,500.